Are you having fun, baby cakes? Hi! This is the other cockatiel. This is the baby who just got a bath. Yes, her just got a bath, so her's crying. This is Munchkin, as you see. She likes to play with toys. So any toys are a very welcome treat. Oh, and of course Chinese finger traps are like the bomb. Newspaper, anything. Her's a busy little beaver. Hello, baby. So come see me. Come here, little one. Come here. You're gonna play with toys. I can't get in there with the camera there. Here. Can I video, please? Yes. So I hope you have lots of money invested in Chinese finger traps. As you can see, she is a toy destroyer. Is a macaw in a cockatiel body. Good girl, yes. And then of course, Roma's crybaby. Aw, did you get a bath, sweetie? Yes. Aw. Yeah, I blow dried you though. Yes, I did. Where did you go, other one? Where you go, Nana?